Hello, Marcus here from B2 Electronics. Today we're going to show you how you disconnect a VLF, a monitor withstand or TD measurement setup of our device, the HVA68TD.
Now we can start with the disconnection procedure. We are following the steps accordingly. In the first step, we switch off the device. First we press the HVA emergency off button, then the HVA main switch. Afterwards we lock the HVA in a disabled state to prevent against unauthorized use. For that we turn the key switch to the off position and we remove the key. In step 2 we discharge and earth the DOT. Never assume that the equipment is safe to handle without using the necessary safety equipment and earthing procedures. The disconnection procedure must comply with local safety regulations. Before disconnecting the test lead, the DOT must be discharged and earthed. Earth connections must be removed last. In step 3 we remove the test lead. As mentioned before you disconnect the HV test leads and the potential HV parts, obey the 5 safety rules. We disconnect the power supply cable from the HVA. In the final step we disconnect all earth cables. First disconnect the HV earthing cable. And finally we disconnect the earthing cable from the DOT. Thank you for watching this video. If you would like more information about B2 and our products, please visit our website. And if you have any technical queries about your B2 device, please contact our technical support at support@b2hv.com.